Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you the best 10 tips and tricks for your OnePlus 15. The first and the best is the plus key. It's an alternative for the action button in iPhones. As you can see, your plus button is here, plus key is here. As you can see, it works exactly like the action button, but maybe more modern, something like that. Wait, you can click it over here, and actually you can launch the PlusMind AI, silent, vibrate, and ring. Open any application in your smartphone, turn on flashlight, and start the voice recording. So actually it's very useful. At first you have to go to the settings and tap plus key. As you can see here, you do have every single bind you can add to this button. Plus to mind space on vibration, do not disturb, camera, torch, flashlight, recorder, and translate and screenshot. As you can see, it's very useful. I'll leave it as, for example, torch. So now, apart from that, we do have PlusMind, and PlusMind is actually very useful, and we can use this plus key to use it, and this is the best way to use it. Let's add, for example, here to PlusMind space, and as you can see, double tap to open mind space, touch and hold to save in audio, and tap to recognize and save screen content. Here, if I click, we do screenshot and it analyzes, and it will be added to our mind space and analyzed what's on the screen. It's very useful actually, and I do recommend that. Apart from that, here in this phone we do have something which is called the file dock. It's over here, and file dock is nothing but a temporary file folder, clipboard, where you can just throw files, text, everything here, and copy it to every other application. But it's temporary and it will be deleted, for example, after some time. Apart from that, here we do have in this phone, it's not like software one, but it's very nice. Here we have ultra low brightness mode, 0.5 nits. So actually it's very nice. And OxygenOS shockingly allows us to use the low brightness level using the reduced light point, and combined with the enhanced dark mode, nights can be just incredibly comfortable because the brightness level is incredibly low. 0.5 nits is very low actually. I can't really believe it that it's true. Apart from that, here in this phone we do have 3 dark style modes. At first, open settings, and here go straight to the display and brightness right here. Here, at first, enable dark mode and tap dark mode settings. As you can see here, we do have 3 styles: enhanced, medium, and gentle. Gentle is more grayish, medium is between enhanced and gentle, enhanced is the darkest you can get on this phone. Apart from that, here we do have the improved eye comfort, which, as you can see, if we go back and scroll a little bit down, is here. We do have eye care, and with PWM and DC-like dimming settings, we can set every single thing for our eyes. And for example, for users sensitive to display flicker, OxygenOS has special dimming modes. Here, in eye care comfort options, we do have here the eye comfort reminders, display effects. Here, as you can see, we do have the eye protection and colors, and actually the blue light, everything about the blue light emission. And as you can see here, if we do scroll further down, we do have screen attention, keep your screen on while looking at it. It's very useful actually to manage all these options. And so that's it for the display. Apart from that, here we do have something called floating apps, and with smart sidebar we can enable the floating apps in our phone. Let's do something like this and tap on the application. As you can see, it's floating and we can use the background and our application. It's actually very useful, and I'm in love with this feature because I don't have this on my iPhone, and I should have this on my iPhone because I love this feature. Apart from that, here we have quick launch from under display fingerprint. If we go to the settings and straight from here tap search and search for quick launch, but quick. Here, activating as quick launch. As you can see, if we enable that and tap our fingerprint, we can easily, after unlocking our phone, open some payment applications, camera modes, note, flashlight, or QR code scanner. Apart from that, in this phone we do have the very nice camera and Pro XDR. We can turn on the master mode for boost color science, use the Pro mode with RAW Plus for editing, and enable the Pro XDR in the gallery for brighter dynamic range. Apart from that, like in every other phone, we do have the AI eraser, but this is not that top trick actually. Apart from that, here we do have something called the RAM booster and auto app freezing for more speed and performance. At first, go here to the settings and scroll all the way down to the system and update. Now, pardon me, it wasn't here. We have to go back and tap about device and tap here on the RAM. Enable RAM expansion, and here turn it up to 12 GB. And actually that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.